Last time, I showed you 5 AI tools replacing entire teams. This time, I want to show you 5 completely different tools that will save you at least 2 hours every single day. These are the tools I personally use for research, building, presenting, editing, and organizing. And some of them are completely free. Let's get into it. Number 1. Perplexity. Stop Googling. Seriously, Perplexity is an AI powered search engine that actually answers your questions instead of giving you 10 blue links to click through. You ask a question and it gives you a clear, structured answer with sources cited. I use it for market research, competitor analysis, fact checking, learning about new technologies. Basically, anything where I used to spend 30 minutes jumping between tabs. Now it takes 2 minutes. The free tier is generous, and the pro version at $20 a month gives you unlimited searches with the most powerful AI models. If you do any kind of research for work, this alone will save you hours. Number 2. Bolt.new. This one blew my mind when I first tried it. Bolt is a full stack development environment that runs entirely in your browser. You describe what you want to build and it generates a complete application. Front end, back end, database, everything. But here is what makes it different from tools like Lovable or Replit. Everything runs right there in the browser. You can see the code, edit it, preview the app, and deploy it, all without installing anything on your computer. I built a complete project management dashboard in about 15 minutes. No terminal, no setup, no dependencies, just describe and build. For quick prototypes and MVPs, this is unbeatable. Number 3. Gamma. If you are still spending hours in PowerPoint, you need to see this. Gamma creates beautiful presentations, websites, and documents from a single text prompt. You give it your content or even just a topic, and it generates a fully designed, professional looking presentation in seconds. The designs are genuinely good, not generic AI slop. Clean layouts, proper typography, smart use of images. I have used it for investor pitch decks, client proposals, and internal presentations. What used to take me 3 hours now takes 5 minutes. And the best part, the free tier gives you enough to get real work done. Number 4. Descript. Video editing has always been painful. Timeline scrubbing, cutting clips frame by frame, syncing audio. Descript completely changes the game. It transcribes your video automatically and then you edit the video by editing the text. Want to remove a sentence? Delete the words from the transcript. Want to rearrange sections? Drag and drop the paragraphs. It even has a feature called Underload that uses AI to remove filler words, add titles, and generate social clips automatically. For anyone creating YouTube videos, podcasts, or any video content, this cuts editing time by at least 70%. I went from spending 4 hours editing a single video to about 45 minutes. Number 5. Notion AI. Most people know Notion as a note-taking and project management tool. But with the AI features built in, it becomes something completely different. It becomes your second brain. You can ask Notion AI to summarize meeting notes, draft emails, create action items from a document, brainstorm ideas, translate content, and extract insights from your databases. Everything is connected. Your notes, your projects, your wikis, your databases, all of it is context that the AI can use. I run my entire business out of Notion. Content calendar, project tracking, client notes, templates, everything. And the AI layer on top makes it feel like having a personal assistant who knows everything about my business. So here is the bottom line. Perplexity saves you research time. Bolt saves you development time, Gamma saves you design time, Descript saves you editing time, and Notion AI saves you organization time. Together, that is easily 2 hours every single day. Over a month, that is 60 hours you get back. The people who will win are not the ones who work the hardest. They are the ones who use the best tools. And right now, most people are not even aware these exist. If you want to see these tools in action, I have individual shorts on each one. Check those out. And if you found this useful, subscribe. New AI tool breakdowns coming all the time. See you in the next one.